Welcome to Roulette Winning Strategy.
Check
We
the mic and
create
make sure
unique
it sound right,
roulette winning
boy.
strategy videos for you guys. Also, roulette is a highly risky game just for entertainment purposes. Don't take it seriously.
It sound right, boy.
These 7 players are winning. Almost 1.7 thousand.
Check
for
the mic
21.
and make sure it
Car
sound
club,
right,
610 bucks. Lit less. Alright, 390. Let's go for more. Last few seconds, guys. Manage the bets. There is such an option as autoplay as well. Betting time is over. If you want to know a little bit more, feel free to ask me. Zoe, what do you mean by that? We have 11, 32 and 34. The middle one with 200. And we got 32 and 200 times lightning for you. Even high number from per dozen. 694 players with 199 to even nowhere. More than 1.1 thousand players winning. Whilst got more than 3.3 thousand. Casa 900. Arco 620
right,
plus.
boy.
Wickrack. Can Robs give 500? I can try. Our betting time is over. Alright, Glow, thank you, buddy. You are a shaman. Shaman, you're a shaman? For real? 15, 19. Congress for you. And we got 31 awful lines on a high one. Power saying, I heard you are a playboy. Not even close. Who said something like that for you? More than 1.1 thousand players winning Gallardo. Almost 640 I and 650 plus wins and 600 better calls again. Oh, Nero shan't say no more. Let's get that money for you. Wow. Who said something like that? We have 10, 25 and 27. Hundreds for each.
It sound right,
And
boy.
12 it is. Even low one first dozen. Almost 990 players are winning. 1.5 thousand for you, Greece. 530 plus for Mitch. Drax 940. Last few seconds for you to manage those bets, and greetings for those who just joined. Glad to see you all. Betting time is over. Let's get some light. Yeah, Paul, I'm a bit confused as well. Who said something like that? Who was so wrong? 17, 19, also 30, 50s are back. 27, Tias, holding high number
It
from
sound
10
right,
dozen.
boy.
My friend. Alright, Paul. These 7 players are winning. Almost 1.7 thousand.
Check
for
the mic
21.
and make sure it
Car
sound
club,
right,
610
boy.
bucks. Lit less. Alright, 390. Let's go for more. Last few seconds, guys. Manage the bets. There is such an option as autoplay as well. Betting time is over. If you want to know a little bit more, feel free to ask me. Zoe, what do you mean by that? We have 11, 32 and 34. The middle one with 200. And we got 32 and 200 times lightning for you. Even high number from per dozen. 694 players with 199 to 20 plus for Winter. 620 plus for Diana. Last seconds again. And greetings for those who just joined.
It sound right,
Pleasure to
boy.
see you all. Welcome to the Lightning Roulette. The game where the bets are closed right now. And here we have 7, 15, also 20. Low ones, 100 times. And that's a high one. From tier section, even one. In the name of third seed. How I know it's happening live? Well, I just gave you an answer. 1,045 players who winning 750 for Greece. 900 as the second best win, Lon at almost 300. Hey Spoon. Spoon, by the way, I might see you at the dice. Betting time is over. Am I right, Spoon? Did you join at Lightning Dice? Oh, that was your brother. 18, 12 and 21, 15 for you. And we got 15. Odd low one, hot one. Always. Okay, Spoon, say no more. Mickey, that's a win for you, right? Almost 1.1 thousand players winning, more than 2.5 thousand for top winner. 620 plus for Tiger. Mickey, that's a win indeed. 450 on your side. Let's go for more. Time is over. Hip hip away. Last call. What kind of call? On the spot, right? Perfect timing, Mickey. 627.29. 2,750 on your side. 7 for the win. Odd low one first dozen. 1,048 players winning.
It sound right,
Great,
boy.
I guess you're staying, right? Got more than 1,000 euros. More than 1.8 thousand for 21. Reno almost
Check the
3.5
mic and make
thousand.
sure
Not
it
bad at
sound
all.
right, boy.
Betting time is over. Have a good one. Final chance, Frey. And did I use my chance? There we have 3, 30 and 34. 30, 450. And then we have 8 for the win. TS, even low one from the first dozen. Ta-da! More than 1.1 thousand players winning 4.8 thousand for Was. Frey got a good win, 1,000 plus for you. And more than 1,000 as a third one. Last few seconds, guys. And greetings for those who just joined. And let me check the hot numbers for you at the beginning. I will close the bets. And let's go with the hot ones. We have 9, 22, 15, 34 and 25. 5 hottest
sound
numbers by
right,
far.
boy.
And oopsie daisy, little lightning for you. 18, 19, 19 with 100 time. And then we have 16, 16 for the win. TS even low one second dozen. 1,067 players winning. Almost 1.7 thousand for 21. Car Cup 610 plus. Lit less. Alright, 390. Let's go for more. Last few seconds, guys. Manage the bets. There is such an option as autoplay as well. Betting time is over. If you want to know a little bit more, feel free to ask me. Zoe, what do you mean by that? We have 11, 32 and 34. Dummy no one with 200. And we got 32 and 200 times fighting for you. Even high number from third dozen. 694 players with 199 to 1 payout. Kilos get more than 8.3 thousand, Aaron more than 5.8 thousand, 1977 5,000 for you, and there you go again. Second lightning win, straight away 200 for you, and you can still place the bets. Betting time is over. Okay, you have to click on a button where is the headset icon. With that, you can manage live support directly. 36 and 30, 300s are back.
It sound right, boy.
And let it be 10. 10 for the win.
Check
TSC
the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
857 players winning 1,000 plus for the top winner. 770 plus for Jad Age. 670 plus, and there you go again. Bets are still for you, and autoplay as well. Last few seconds. Will bow wow. Bets are closed again. Good luck with the spin, guys. Good luck indeed. And lightning on 1-8 and also 14. Last two, hundreds for you. third C4. All four lines even and also cut one. 969 players winning 2000 plus for hard card.
It sound
900 is the
right,
second
boy.
best win and win toss 520 plus. Last few seconds, guys. Betting time is over. You never seen 500. Well, then I hope I will be the one who will get that 500 for you. Is Eliza coming back? Not as I know, Lindesh. Not as I know. 3, 8 and 15, 3 and 200. And let it be 5. TS or low one first dozen. Same here, Global. Same here. More than 1.1 thousand players winning almost 2,000 for us. 1,000 plus is the third best win. JD, almost 750. Hey, Dan is here. 37 players winning. Almost 1.7 thousand for 21. Car Cub, 610 plus. Lit less. Alright, 390. Let's go for more. Last few seconds, guys. Manage the bets. There is such an option as autoplay as well. Betting time is
Sound
over.
right, boy.
If you want to know a little bit more, feel free to ask me. Zoe, what do you mean by that? We have 11, 32 and 34. The middle one with 200. And we got 32 and 200 times lightning for you. Even high number from third dozen. 694 players with 199 to.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell notification to never miss an update.